We start with chart. You want to see how we can look at the chart. And if we refer to my last analysis, I mentioned if since the price was within this move, the best thing is if I move to lower time frame, we move to 1 hour chart. Exactly when the price was within here, I mentioned if the price couldn't break 1.3, any reversal we can look for buy, and this is what we get. And no one see what's the next and how we can look at this correction. Anyway, we start with daily chart, and we want to see whether this is the start of the up move or still we can consider this one as a correction relative to this. If we're looking at this one as a correction relative to this with the breakout to 1.3, we can expect the price drop to 1.16. All right, this is what we explained in my last analysis. There is no changes. And if we move to forward chart, what I'm thinking right now, I'm looking at this one as a flat. That means I'm expecting to get one move up. Then from there, we want to see whether the price can break the previous top or not. And mostly want to see whether the price can enter this zone or not. Because if the price break 1.8 or 1.85, then we can look for continuation. If not, even that means we can expect to get one move up before we get the one more drop. Because at that time, so you can look at this one. Still, you can look at this one as a bigger correction relative to this before we get one more drop. We need to be quite careful about this. That's why if you want to, anyone wants to look for sell after we get one move up, if we see the price cannot break 1.85, then from there we can look for sell. But at this time, what we're looking for this one. And if you get any opportunity for buy, we will take it. And we want to see the breakout of 1.85 following by 1.95. That means still we're considering this one for, we're looking for continuation. Okay. And in this case, we move to 1 hour chart. We want to see how we can look for trade. And the best option, as I mentioned, we're looking for this one as a flat. All right. And we're looking at the first move, flat as a correction for one move up. That means if we get any opportunity for buy from here, we will take it. And even we can expect this one drop to 1.58 before we get the reversal. If we want to look for buy, we prefer to get the buy setup without breaking 1.58. Okay, that's mean if we get any trade for buy from here, we will take it. And with the breakout of 1.77, we are looking for 1.85 as a first target. And with the breakout of 1.85, we're looking for 1.95. We want to see whether the price can break this zone or not. Okay, then from there we want to see, we will check whether we need to look for, if we get one move up, then from there we will check whether we have a divergence or not, because from there, that's mean when the price tag somewhere around 1.85, then from there we need to make a decision whether there is a continuation or we can expect the price to drop. Anyway, this is how I'm looking at chart. That's mean if I get if I get any opportunity for buy, I will take it. And the first target is 1.85 with a breakout of 1.77. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.